Office District Child Protection Unit Eastern West Khasi Hills District Mairang mentagasngi ka lapalong ye ka awareness program Halor ka an ka bapersha ye ka Shongkha Shongman Khynnah Prevention of Child Marriage Pokso Act arjar khatar ban pensngau thu pai ba Halor ka jingma na kum kini ka jing Shongkha Khynnah kumju ka an Pokso arjar khatar ka penchitom ting e ki kimi ki pa ki behing asem ki bron kti ban penchlur ne penchongkha ye ki khun ki bedang rutta Ladadon ki bahayeng ki bapenslur yakum kini ki jing Shongkha Khynnah manu la ban ujor sya Khuborjylla. Kita ki badon keti kin ngat ki kendon an baperking. Ya kani ki jing elang batai bat pensyai pat ba la pelong Hatirot Singh Memorial Hall pendeng Umyong Mairang. Hakini ki jing elang la ai jing pensyai di kiriu syampang na ka office DMHO, DHEW, Dcpu bat nakatanak pulit halor ki an ki bakhang ban pensyongkha ki Khynnah ki bedang rutta. Labatai ru Halor ka jingdap shipos nem ka scheme Beti Bachao Beti Padhao ka bakintiwi ki Khynnah kanthai ha kalyang ka jingnang jingtep babunjat ki Khynnah school ba kinong hikai ni ki school baper na kani ka district ki layo jing pansyai bat jing mentoy shikat day e na ka jing batai jung kiriu syampang ha kani ka sngi.
What is our role in this? I want to know about what is child marriage. What is child marriage? Child marriage kemudian ketika Shongkha Khynnah, Shongkha Khynnah, keba kekum ketika act child marriage act kata kebahi kilabu yang di Shillong dan Shongkha kedai banithok, kamu banithok yang balak long, balak bit banithok kedai 21 years dan kedai 18 years. Nada ilu kiba banithok yang di
I would like to talk about this scheme. I was given the topic which was given to me was Beti Bachao Beti Padhao. So and I would also like to talk about schemes which is available under our department. So under our department there's a scheme called Mission Shakti. So the main objective of this Mission Shakti is to provide to all women and girls, differently able, social and economically marginalized and vulnerable groups in need of care and protection with short-term and long-term services and